This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OGJ. You know who you are. And day 4, that's what today was. Day 4, day cuatro. Seems like day 312, but things are coming along nice. I had a pretty good crew there today. I had Miranda, I had Krista, I had Jordan, and tomorrow I know I have Miranda coming. And that's about it. I don't know. I think Krista might be coming after she gets done her real job. I don't know. Somebody will be there. And today, they got a lot of cleaning done. Jordan got a lot more painting done. He actually did watch the video that I put up yesterday. If you haven't seen that, well, there's a few painting tips in it. He used them. And then afterwards today, he said he'll never forget that. He wished that he had knew this stuff before he painted his bedroom. He said it would have come out better. So that's good. He listens very well. Like I said, he takes direction, and he did an outstanding job. And we have one room completely done as far as the painting is concerned. That's huge. That's a good milestone. I'm really happy about that. So the orange room is now white. And the first thing you notice is how bright it is in there. You don't even have to turn the light on. It's really nice and bright because of the white paint. And also, it looks bigger. The room physically looks bigger. Now, the black room, the one that was painted almost black, it was dark gray, but almost black. That we've done one coat of primer. Looked pretty good. He did paint it with one coat of paint, and it needs another coat. But I think one more coat and it's going to cover it. It was a really, really tough room to paint. It really was. So that's all done. We've got one of the doors done. We've got all of the cabinetry. We've got that all ready to go, all ready to paint. That should be taken care of tomorrow. We're going to go right through the whole thing. It's going to be all about painting on this next day. So that's but today's day 4, tomorrow's day 5, all about painting, and it's coming along really, really nicely. Will we get this done in 1 week? Oh hell no. we just won't. Jordan was able to do the ceilings in the hallway and in most of the living room. Now the living room is the really important one, and the hallway, because that's where we're replacing the floor, and the ceilings have to be done first. That's it. Ceilings, walls, then the floor. Floor is the last thing. Same thing in the bathroom. We have to do that as well. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what went on today. Before I do that, remember, it's been a very long day. I didn't do my 12 hours today either. I only did about 10 hours today. So after 4 days, I'm up to, I think, 42 hours. So that's not bad. I mean, I feel like a young man, right? Well, sort of, except for all the aches and pains. But I feel pretty good. I've done all right for the past few days, so let's see if I can keep that going. But I have to do something else. Hold on just 1 second. I have to do this out of frame. Just hold on. Yeah, now I'm better. So let's head on over to the other trailer and take a look at some of the stuff we did.
Hi, Miranda.
Hi.
You showed up first.
Yay! I'll always show up first at your
You'd get a gold star.
This today was a late start.
I'd give you a cookie, but I don't have any cookies.
My daughter pooped in her underwear again this morning. So I'm late.
Geez, that's too bad. She's like 12, right? All right.
And read between some of them.
Miranda and I have a lot to do today.
And I want to just say my boss's work is pretty prime right there. Check that out.
Yeah,
that actually looks really, really good.
Well, when you find out what we're going to do, you're going to like it even more, because we got a surprise over the weekend. So anyway, we're going to get started on this. I'm going to set up some cameras. I don't know who else. Is our midget coming today?
Yes, the midget will be here around 1.
We shouldn't call her that.
She won't mind.
What is her name?
Krista.
Krista. Okay. I just call her little person because when I see her, that's all I see.
Because she's little.
But we're not going to use that word anymore because it might be offensive to other people.
Very good point. I didn't think about that.
And she's not really a little person. So for her to call herself a little person, that might be offensive to other people.
All right. Okay.
To me, I don't give a shit.
I mean, personally, I don't either. She doesn't, so I don't.
Yeah.
But I don't mean it in an offensive way when I say it.
But the thing is, Jordan brought his girlfriend over. Yeah, she's not much taller.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have a bunch of little women running around here at some point. So that's
Cool.
that's kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna show her around what I've done and what I expect her to do, and yeah, we're just gonna do this. Right, we're checking on Jordan's progress. He watched my video, and look what he's done. This looks nice. It's good. This is coming along a lot faster now. So that's going to be awesome. We're going to let this coat dry. Well, he's letting this coat dry. And now he's in the orange, what used to be the orange room. Can't call it the orange room anymore, can we?
No, we cannot. This is the white room.
This is the white room. Well, they're all going to be white rooms. Man, that coverage is great. Let's see, well, we've got this paint here. Where is it? Glidden. No wonder it's good. Glidden's good paint. Speed wall. This stuff's like $60 for 5 gallons. And so far, it covers really well. I don't think you're going to have to do 2 coats.
Or not.
Nope. Awesome, Jordan. And he knows how to paint now.
The V method.
The V method.
Courtesy of the Old Guy Network.
Now he's saying that because the last time he did a video for me, he forgot to mention the channel, but now he does, so excellent. No, that looks really good. I'm really happy with that. Holy shit. For what you did, how many hours were you here the other day?
Just short of 5, I think.
5 hours and barely got one room primed.
Oh, yeah.
And you've almost got this room done. You've only been here, what, an hour?
Give or take.
Yeah. Damn, I should be a motivational speaker like Tony Robbins. All right. Ooh, a lot of the cleaning is done. This room is all clean, ready to be painted. All the cabinets, all the drawers are ready to be painted. And whatever we're doing to them, hopefully I'm going to get a chance to trim out that window tomorrow. Looks good. Floor cleaned up really nice, except where they left the dirt, but that's okay. The floor looks good. So here, I'd like to wait to paint because I want a chance for Zane and I to get under there and fix the sink. We're not going to go under there together. Come on, that would be weird. But we need to fix the sink, put the new fixtures on, and after that, then we can paint this, sand it, paint it, and get the cupboard doors back on. That'll be nice. But we can do the top ones tomorrow. Oh, my goodness. And yes, I still have the ceiling fan here. because it does keep it a little cooler. Got a little bit more done on this. I came in today, we found some more lumber that was in the shed. I made a little frame here that I got together. I really can't do much until everybody else does their job. And these posts here, you'll notice I have them notched out. And those will fit in place in here. And then there'll be some supports at the bottom and at the top so that you'll be able to set all kinds of weight on this and not have to worry about it. Okay. And I was wondering how I was going to trim this little part of the bar. This is going to be like a bar. I was wondering how I was going to trim this out. And I think I'm just going to get some MDF and go around the posts when they're up. And then also with the lumber that I found today in the back, in the shed, I also found some wainscoting. So if there's enough in there to do the whole thing, that's what I'm going to do. I'm hoping there's enough to do just this bar part where the frame is, right around that, and up here. That would be really, really nice. And then we'll trim this all out. And have you figured out what this is going to be yet? I haven't really either. I've got an idea though. So that's going to do it. Let's head on back to the trailer hood, and I'm sure the Corvette is lonely. So I'm going to jump in that, stop at the store first, and then I'll meet you over at the trailer. So let's go.
Sure. Yeah, why not? Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Yeah, well, that's what we did today. It was day number 4 tomorrow. You guessed it, day number 5. I've done over 40 hours in 4 days. I'm an old guy, so I'm not used to doing that anymore. I've been retired for the past couple of years. Still keep pretty active, but not like I've been doing for the past 4 days, 5 days really. But as far as the build's concerned, it's 4 days, and I feel good. And I hope that things keep going as smoothly as they have been, and the crew is doing a great job. They're getting better and better every day. And who knows, if this works out well, we might do this again in the very near future. I'd like to see that. And if I got good people with me, I'll keep them along. That would be awesome. And speaking of good people and keeping them along, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I've got a few more subscribers in the past couple of days, so I appreciate you people. And if you watch these videos and you haven't subscribed yet, you really, really should. It helps out the channel, doesn't cost you a dime, and only takes a second. Just hit that subscribe button, and I can get more people to watch these videos, which would be excellent. I would love that. So that's going to do it for today's adventures, and we'll have more for you tomorrow, I'm sure. So join us here on day 5, and for the Old Guy Network, you know me, I'm the old guy, I'm the OG, and I'm out.